Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In this video, we are going to see some very exclusive bridal Kanjivaram sarees. All these sarees are priced between 11,000 and it goes up to 17,000. Let's get started. The year-end sale is on. Flat 5% discount is available across the website. The same discount is also available at both the stores in Chennai and in Bangalore. All the sarees that I'm going to show you today are pure Kanjivaram silk sarees in double watt and are silk mark certified. The zari used is half fine zari. We've got some beautiful color combinations in rich brocade weaves in contrast borders. All these sarees are perfect bridal wear in a very affordable range. All these sarees are available in our website. To take a look at the entire collection, please log on to www.prashantisarees.com. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. We undertake custom tailoring, fall and edging and embroidery. If you wish to get your blouses done, there's an option available right at the product page. You can click that. You can also reach out to our customer support team. We'll be more than happy to help you with your blouses. First one for today is this beautiful shade of blue with tissue body. This has got very pretty tilaka motifs, intricately woven floral pattern with rich Banarasi style borders on either sides, a rich zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a brocade blouse priced at 17,490. Yellow orange with pink, beautiful sari with rich contrast Kanjivaram borders on either sides, brocade buttas, very pretty small floral buttas running throughout the body, a contrast rich pallu in pink, that's the pallu, and a plain pink blouse priced at 11,990. The next one is this beautiful shade of maroon with rich copper zari weaving, bavanji borders along with floral pattern in copper on either sides, intricately woven floral pattern running all over the body in copper zari, a rich self pallu, that's the pallu, and a brocade blouse priced at 18,590. Teal green with blue, one more beautiful sari with contrast borders on either sides, paisley zari brocade weaving running all over the body, a rich pallu in copper sulphate blue, brocade blouse in blue, priced at 17,490. Lotus pink with dark pink, another pretty sari with contrast rich Kanjivaram borders on either sides. The body has got very pretty brocade weaving in golden zari running throughout the sari, a rich contrast pallu in pink, that's the pallu, and a plain blouse in pink, priced at 11,990. Blue with purple, beautiful sari with short and long traditional Kanchipuram borders on either sides, self-embossed weaves along with zari buttas running throughout the body, a contrast rich pallu in purple, that's the pallu, and a plain purple blouse priced at 15,390. Dual shade of green with tomato red, one more beautiful color with contrast rich Kanchivaram borders on either sides, brocade weaving running throughout the sari, a rich contrast pallu in red, that's the pallu, and a plain blouse in red, priced at 11,990. Golden yellow with pink, one more in the same style, beautiful Kanjivaram contrast borders along with brocade weaving running throughout the sari, a rich contrast pallu in pink, that's the pallu, and a plain blouse in pink, priced at 11,990. Red with purple, beautiful color with short and long Kanchivaram borders on either sides, self-embossed thread weaves along with zari buttas running throughout the body, a contrast rich pallu in purple, that's the pallu, and a plain blouse in purple, priced at 15,390. Parrot green with pink, lovely sari with rich korvai contrast borders on either sides, beautiful brocade weaving in floral pattern, golden zari running throughout the sari, a rich contrast pallu in pink, that's the pallu, and a plain pink blouse, priced at 18,290. Lavender with pink, one more pretty color with contrast rich borders on either sides, brocade weaving running throughout the body, a contrast pallu in pink, that's the pallu, and a plain blouse in pink, priced at 12,720. Green with teal, a lovely combination in tissue. The top half of the sari has got very pretty contrast border along with brocade weaving in leaf pattern. Towards the bottom half, this has got beautiful peacocks intricately woven along with floral pattern in contrast to the body color in teal, a rich contrast zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a plain teal blouse priced at 17,490. Peach with pink, one more pretty color with contrast beautiful borders on either sides with buttas and floral pattern. The body has got zari brocade weaving in floral pattern running all over the body, a contrast rich pallu, that's the pallu, and a thread brocade blouse priced at 17,490. Peacock blue with purple, one more pretty color with short and long traditional Kanchipuram borders on either sides, self-embossed weaves along with zari buttas running throughout the body, a contrast rich pallu in purple, that's the pallu, and a plain purple blouse priced at 15,390. Brick orange with pink, a very pretty color combination with short and long traditional Kanchipuram borders on either sides, brocade weaving along with intricately woven peacocks running throughout the sari, a contrast rich zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, plain blouse in pink, priced at 17,990. Green with red, another beautiful sari with contrast borders on either sides. This has got brocade weaving running throughout the sari, a contrast rich pallu in red, that's the pallu, and a plain blouse in red, priced at 11,990. Magenta with dual shade of mustard, one more beautiful color combination with contrast rich Kanchivaram borders, brocade weaving running throughout the body, that's the pallu, rich zari woven pallu, and a plain blouse priced at 12,720. Yellow with peachish orange, a very classy sari with contrast butta style borders on either sides, beautiful floral brocade weaving on tissue running throughout the body, a contrast rich pallu and peachish pink, and a matching blouse priced at 16,250. Green with magenta, traditional sari with rich contrast short and long Kanjivaram borders on either sides, self brocade weaving with zari buttas running throughout the sari, that's the pallu in magenta, plain blouse in magenta priced at 15,390. One more in the same style, it's pink with dark pink, short and long Kanchipuram borders with jacquard weaving running throughout the body, beautiful peacock zari buttas running throughout the sari, a contrast rich pallu in pink, that's the pallu, and a plain blouse in pink, priced at 15,390. All these saris are available in our website. To take a look at the entire collection, please log on to www.prashantisarees.com. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.